Hello, you're welcome to my channel. This is Healthy Lifestyle Tips. Today I'm going to be sharing with you people what I'm having here. So if you want to know what is in here, you have to watch this video to the end. Do you want to stay younger and look healthier and feel healthier as you get older? Boost your immune system, even while you lose weight, you do it in the rightful way, and you have every necessary nutrient and the vitamins that you need for the day to lose weight or your belly fat. And do you want your skin to glow while you're losing weight and when you're doing your diet? Then watch this video to the end. You see what we are having today on this. So let's go to the kitchen. Let's see what we're having. Thank you. Hello guys. Yeah, so we're having a cucumber today. I have one cucumber that is here, and I'm having a celery, about 3 pieces that is here, and we're going to be adding kiwi. Got 4 pieces of kiwi that is here. Yeah, so this is what we're going to be having. Just going to turn it all in the blender now to blend it all together. Yeah, so this juicing is very good for cleansing, to cleanse your body, your system. At least I will advise anyone to like take this kind of juicing for twice a week or once a week. It all depends on how fast you want to lose your weight or the belly fat. And add a little bit water. Yeah. And this juicing helps to lower blood sugar, high antioxidants, and promote hydration. The kiwi will help you to digest well, help your digestion. Now I'm just going to filter it. Yeah, just filter it and get the juice out of it. That's it. Yeah. So nourishing and then hydrated. You get hydrated when you take this kind of juice. So I hope you guys really like this and stay healthy. It will help you in your weight loss journey. It's very good for weight loss. Mm. With the kiwi taste, it tastes great. All right. Thank you.